Alkaline's back, and he didn't come to play catch-up. With a key man, he delivers a message wrapped in darkness, power, and precision. Let's start with the title. A key man isn't just a name, it's a role. In business, it means you're irreplaceable. Alkaline takes that idea and applies it to dancehall. No gimmicks, no shout-outs. He's simply saying, without me, none of this runs. The cover art, subtle and sharp. A gun shaped like a key with a skull engraved, it's not just violence, it's control. The power to unlock, and the threat if you step wrong. Lyrically, this is Alkaline in assassin mode. Cool, calm, and deliberate. He doesn't call names, he doesn't need to. Artists get hype and then sink like quicksand. Use me name fi get a viral. Kinda corny. These bars aren't about beef, they're about hierarchy. He's above the class, not competing in it. Even his most controversial line, "Me meet a slut, me ask if she giwe brata," wasn't random, it was bait, a dare. A reminder that Alkaline can say the unsayable and still dominate the room. Whether you agree or not, it proves one thing, he controls the energy. Underneath all the talk of dominance though, there's a flash of pain. Lose me elder, now nothing don't mean nothing to me. That line, it's not just grief, it's cold acceptance. It explains the tone. This isn't hype, it's clarity after loss. So is this a diss track? Not really. It's bigger, it's a claim of space, a move on the board. Alkaline isn't asking for war, he's asking, who really run this? And if your name fits in the shots he's firing, you already lost. Let us know what you think. Is Keyman a warning shot or the start of something bigger? Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, in dancehall, you either hold the key or you wait for the door to open.
Keyman, go for the leland. Yeah, we ain't trick them a pre-man. We no punk on the battlefield, no we no wet bread. Pussy far around, we and play and go get dead. Me not here, meds like John Un, Vladimir. Lose me elder, now nothing to mean nothing to me. Now industry, I'm a key man. Artists get hype and then sink like quicksand. With this strong CW9, heal it any friction. Shooters them I aim for you, aim for your head dog. Full of paper, yeah, me them afraid of. Me trick you no can't trick me out here, what? Can't style a style like nah go work, you dig? Now watch the internet and be an idiot, them run with bro. A pocket full of garbage, spend that fast. Me and them not in a beef, much less same class. When me see some of them a bravo me laugh. All day we flash. Walk the walk, talk the talk. Don't signs up, dark with dark. Can't fuck around, why we start? Walk the walk, talk the talk.